Hi guys, Naledi. I'm doing another video. Day 2. I'm feeling like, this headache because in the morning I went to the gym because gonna get home and motuk is dodla. So huwima. So I went to the gym. So I think I pushed too hard, of which I think get the cardamom. I must take it slow. So yeah, so I'm feeling a headache. I'll just take something for it. So I'm in the kitchen. I'm preparing something to eat. So because I'm not feeling that good, I'm just going to, I didn't cook, I'm even lazy to cook because I don't want to do the dishes, so I don't cook every day. So I'm gonna opt for grapes and chicken. Let me show you my dish. Can you see it's grapes, chicken wings, my water. So yeah, I just fried the chicken wings in olive oil and obviously grapes. Then just have the water and lots of water. Hopefully my headache I'll feel better. Mara ke abuela tomorrow gym. I'm going back to the gym tomorrow. Nothing comes easy. Nothing comes easy. So I'm going to continue. Even some days when I don't feel like it. I'm going to push myself. And I think also the other thing why it's so hard, it's because it's December. Lina, decide to December. I mean, really. But I think if you got the challenger, you need to start deal in a very challenging way, challenging times. So January easy because getting your resolution. So rather I start now so that January can already physically getting home, like it's normal for me. So yeah, we'll see. Obviously some days I will drink because I love my brutal. I love my red wine. So, but the trick is I avoid to buy them and keep them. So I only buy them when I'm craving them as a treat. I know. So because I know hangara 24. Kair kiaibi gibiela di 25 or gibiela di hey shem. Ibila 2 hours, 24 hours can shisham. So I'll just buy them when I need to, or but for now I'm like I don't really need them. And I'm busy with work, so I'm working, so let me stay focused. One day at a time. Thank you. Please watch my videos, like, be nice, be supportive, and subscribe. So I'll post again. Sharp.